Hey traders, my name is Akil Stokes. I'm a Forex trader, trading coach, and co-founder of Tier1Trading.com, and I want to share with you a very special video. I just finished wrapping up our daily Trading Edge video on the platform for our members, and I had kind of an unexpected, sporadic twist in one of the charts I was analyzing. I came in expecting to talk about one thing. I didn't look at the chart again since the morning analysis, and when I came to it, the situation had completely changed, and it really opened up the door to do some live on-the-spot analysis and really give you a good idea not only how I trade and what I look for in the markets, but the importance of reading and understanding price no matter what type of trader you are. So I want to share it with you just because I thought it was useful. I thought you guys may find value from it. If you do me a favor, please leave a comment below. Let me know that you liked it. Also hit that like button, hit that share button, and of course, subscribe if you're new. All right, check it out, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Now, lastly, let's take a look at the euro pound. We talked a lot about candlestick formations today. The euro pound is putting in, oh, and things might have changed here actually. Oh, wait a minute. Looks like we are changing. This is going to be a good lesson about waiting for the close. Okay, so different story here, right? Originally during the live room, we're looking at price action right at this previous level of structure, and we were creating a story for this candlestick formation, right? We saw a high momentum bearish candle going down to that structure level, and then we saw a very nice reversal candle and a pin bar right here. And we're saying that's a very good sign for the bulls, right? The bears attacked it with a lot of strength. The bears attacked it again with a lot of strength, but at the end of the day, we saw some buying pressure down there and the bears were rejected. That is a good sign. However, what is a better sign is waiting for confirmation after the fact. What do you think confirmation after the fact would be? A higher high, higher close. Correct if you guys said that. So not only waiting for a reversal sign that, hey, this bearish momentum may be coming and there's some buying pressure, or maybe over, there's some buying pressure down there, but then waiting for proof that not only has the buying pressure stopped the selling pressure, but we have a follow through. And a higher high, higher close above this green candle, if the next candle, the candle that's red, if the next candle would have done that, that would have been a good sign for a buy. However, this is a great lesson on why patience pays. If you're a trader and you're looking at this, you can't get all excited about it, or you can't get all scared. I'm going to miss the move. I'm going to miss the move. I know I'm supposed to wait for the higher high, higher close, but I got to buy now. I got to buy now, but I got to buy now. F it, buy. And then you do it, and then you come back from whatever, and you see that this big red candle's there, and you never got your entry signal. Right? So this is why you got to be patient. Wait for that confirmation. I know it pulls on these emotional strings, you know, the fear of missing out, the greed of getting in at the best entry is there. It's in all of us, but you got to be disciplined. You have to wait for the signal, right? We want to be predictive in our analysis, reactive in our execution. Predictive in our analysis, reactive in our execution. We want to predict what we think is going to happen next, but then we want the market to show it to us. And if the market doesn't show it to us, we do not enter the trade. We do not enter the trade. And this is a perfect example of something that we were salivating on this morning in the live room. And you can imagine at the close of the live room, we were trading up here. So it looked like that higher high, higher close was going to be here, no doubt. But we come back at the end of the 4-hour candle. Lo and behold, we actually believe break and close below, which actually gives us a much different signal, a signal of bearish continuation. So there's probably actually a trading opportunity on here as well to the bear side. If I didn't really look at this too much. I knew it was what I wanted to take a look at. Come on, why are you being slow today? Probably because I got a million things loaded up. I can tell you what, we do have a lower low, lower close. Just as a very quick prediction, let's see where I think price action is likely to go next. This is cool. You kind of get to see my analysis live. 85.40s, 85. Right in here is probably 1. Somewhere in here is going to be 2. Let's see if we get any type of Fibonacci influence. We actually may have an advanced pattern there as well. There's a lot of things here on Euro Pound daily. Let's just take a 1-to-1 measured move here. And we'll Copy and paste that. We'll clone it. 1-to-1 measured move will put us right at structure lows down here. Let's pair that up with a Fibonacci extension. Swing high from swing low. I'm looking for confluence in the market. So CTS traders looking for confluence in the market. So I got a 127 lurking right around that structure zone I drew out. And again, I start by just drawing very vague zones of structure. And then what I'll do is I'll tighten them up once I have any type of confluence there. So we do have a 127 around that first zone. And we have a 1618 a little bit lower than that AB equals CD. We can always take an inversion as well. Again, this is not going to be exact because I'm so zoomed out, but the principles are what matters. I'm going to have a 1618 Fibonacci inversion. You can see right at that 127 level. So that level is looking better and better. It looks as if there's going to be probably a 786 there as well. And this could be a pattern formation on the weekly. I'll draw it out real quick. If we take this as our X leg, swing low to swing high, or X to A. Bang, I told you, look at that. 786 right there. And this is actually going to be a potential Gartley pattern at that same level as well. How cool is that? So look at an X to A to B, B to C. I should make sure that hits a 618, but yeah, it does. B to C, and a CD completion right there. So CTS trade is a perfect example. We have a Gartley pattern that's 3 points. We've got Fibonacci confluence, Fibonacci retracement. We got 2 Fibonacci extensions there. That's a 4-point move right there. That would be a good level to look for a buy at. But this is perfect because we did a lesson this morning on how, you know, analysis is analysis. Whether you're a counter trend trader or a trend continuation trader, it doesn't matter. You're looking at you're still doing the same analysis just for different reasons. So as a counter trend trader, you're looking at this and saying, okay, where is price going to come to a halt at next? Gartley, Fibonacci, structure. This is a good level. I'm going to look to be a buyer at this level, right? I'm going to look to be a buyer at this level. However, from another perspective, right? From another perspective, the trend continuation trader, right? If you know the buyers are interested in this level, what do you think you want to be at this level? You probably want to be a seller, right? So if we go back down to that lower time from that 4 hour, even a 1 hour, let's say this. If you're looking to be a trend continuation trader and you're looking for a classic pullback trade, right? Just like we talked about with Euro Yen and waiting for market to pull back, give a little bit of relief, and then set up for the next extension. Where do you think is a good level for you to shoot for targets at? Doesn't have to be initial targets, but some type of targets at. Well, probably that same completion point that we talked about the counter trend trader being interested in. So it all works together, right? Analysis is analysis no matter what. That's why I don't think you should be like, I'm a trend trader, I analyze the markets this way. I'm a counter trend trader, I analyze the markets that way. No, we all analyze the markets the same way. We're looking at price, we're doing structure identification and structure recognition. We're doing predictions no matter what tools we use. It could be fibs, it could be harmonics, it could be, you know, whatever, indicator based, right? We're in the business of making predictions. Sometimes that prediction is for a trade opportunity to get in a trade. Sometimes that prediction is for where to get out of a trade. Sometimes that prediction is where to put stops on a trade, right? It doesn't matter. We use it for how we personally see the situation. But at the end of the day, the analysis is the same. And that's why you have to understand, you have to be fluent in reading price action in the market if you want to be a successful trader, or rather a consistent, profitable trader. So that's it for today. There we go. Trading Edge video somehow turned into a nice little lesson. That's the beauty of these daily videos. You never know what you're going to get. I'll get this thing out to you, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the live room. Until then, plan your trade your plan. As always, if you guys are new, I had a question from, what was his name? Was it David this morning? Wasn't David. Was it David? Wasn't David. Come on, please be David. Please be David. Please be David. Yeah, David this morning on the chat. He's new to the platform, and he was trying to look for, he's saying, hey, you know, what am I allowed to discuss on the track? Can I discuss charts and setups and stuff like that? And the answer is yes, for you guys that are new, of course, right? Share charts on the chat, discuss setups, share your ideas. We have a handful of traders. Some are new like you. Some are very experienced. Use them, right? The community is the greatest part of this platform. Again, we were recognized in Forbes magazine because of that community aspect. So the best thing that you can do, whether you're a already consistently profitable trader and you're here just because you want to share time with like-minded individuals, or you're a brand new trader looking to learn, the best thing you can do is take advantage of that chat. Don't be shy. It's not like a trading forum. Pip Daddy's not there. He's not going to make fun of you for an analysis. People are here to help. And with the example we had with Cody this morning, right? Sometimes when you share things and get a different opinion on it, you find out something that you overlooked, and maybe that can save your bacon in a trade. So do it. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the live room. Take care.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, do me a favor. Remember to hit that like button, share this on social media, and leave a comment below. Also, if you're interested in working with us on a daily basis, make sure you check out our trial membership. There's a link below this video. It's 14 days on the platform. You can join us in both the London and the New York live room. You get the daily Trading Edge videos. You get the software. You get to interact with our community, the accountability sessions, and it's all risk-free, meaning there's no auto bill once your 14 days are up. Then you're kicked out. That's it. But it's an opportunity to grow as a trader for you guys that don't have maybe the funding to join us on a regular monthly basis. And of course, you get the emergence training course as well. So I look forward to seeing you on the platform. Remember, introduce yourself to the community as soon as you get there. And until next time, plan your trade, trade your plan. Take care.